Hello friends, good morning. We are most welcome in my this video, Rain in Konkan. Friends, I am Mr.Lokhande H.R. from Shri Mahakali English School and Junior College, Navedar Adure, from Ratnagiri district. Friends, this video is about rain in Konkan. Friends, the word Konkan stands for greenery. The Konkan region receives heavy rainfall. Let us see why it rains in Konkan today. In Konkan, it starts raining at the beginning of June. It rains until late October or early November. Traveling by the Konkan railway in a rainy season is a different moment of joy. The Konkan railway passes a tunnel. The Konkan railway travels through scenic nature. Railway in Konkan is a boon for the people of Konkan. Just like that, rain has recently become destructive in Konkan. Chipadun in Konkan was hit by heavy rains recently. All the places in Chipadun were underwater. Also, Chipadun ST depot. As you may recall, the Rajapur depot's Rajapur Borivali ST bus was swept away with passengers due to the floods on the Savitri river. There is also a lot of lightning in the heavy rain. Many people enjoy swimming in waterfalls in Konkan. The sky in Konkan is covered with black clouds. Nature is made up of scenery. Look at the rain in my yard in our scenic Adivre. People use umbrellas and raincoats in the rain. Rain in Konkan is blessing for Konkan. If you like my video, friends, don't forget to like and share it. Thanks for watching my video about rain in Konkan. Rain in Konkan.